Hello YouTube. Well, it's been a while that I don't do a video, so I might be a little bit rusty, but for those that follow my page, thank you. I don't post things regularly except when I think it's something special or something that I feel may be useful to others. So, this is my Star Wars B-Wing fighter. This was actually my very favorite spaceship, when I was a little boy. I must have been around 7 or 8 years of age, and I had one, and it had missing parts, and but I remember clearly that this was so cool. It was missing the cockpit door, and I remember it was so cool because when you turn this actually moves. So it's got a counterbalance at the weight on the bottom. So regardless of how you move the spaceship, whether it's in regular cruise mode like that, or in attack mode. I want to say that attack mode is going to be when it's, see, that's from the movies, and it clearly shows right there how you move the wings, and it's got some other cool features there. But so yeah, this was by far, I had this, and I had a Millennium Falcon, but my parents didn't have a whole lot of money, so they were used. I frankly didn't even remember how it got them, or if it was like maybe one of my uncles that, or cousins that ended up handing them down to me. But anyway, so a few days ago, I saw this from this cool gentleman on Facebook Marketplace. I had been wanting this for a very long time already, and I happened to have some birthday money from when my birthday was about a month ago, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna put it aside till I find something that I really like, something that I want, something that I don't have already. And it turns out that this gentleman was willing enough to sell this to me for a pretty good price. I've seen the prices on eBay, on Facebook Marketplace, on used ones, on some that are missing parts, on some that, kind of like this one. This was a reissue, and this is a reissue from 2011, so 15 years ago. That's quite a long time, and it is sealed. What's really cool about it, it shows the original price from Walmart, from Kmart, and it's got the original price there. I know that some of you might be like, don't open it, but you know what? And that's how it is in attack mode, if I'm not mistaken. But I want to open it because, I think that that's what these things are meant for. And so that's what we're going to do. And that's the reason why I decided to film this, because that way I was like, well, at least I will have a video of when I opened it and I shared it with those that may be interested. So there it is. It's a done deal. It is now no longer sealed from the factory, and I only have one hand, so give me a little bit of wiggle room here. And there's that. Now let's see what else is in here. So I had to pause it. It's just me filming here in my bedroom, so I had to pause it because I had to open it from both sides. It was pretty tight in there. I mean, it's been jam-packed in there for over 15 years. And so this is how it comes inside. I just saw it. I haven't opened it, so we're going to open it for the first time together. And, oh, cool. So, B-Wing fighter. Oh, it tells you, I guess, the instructions on the cannons, how they're removable, and then how you move from one position to the other. Cool. And again, there is a paperwork, 2011, Lucasfilm Limited. So there it is. So that is my unboxing of the Star Wars B-Wing fighter vehicle, how they have it. I'm going to go ahead and pause it for a little bit just so that I can go ahead and free my hands and remove all of these boxes. And there it is. So I'm glad that I had to pause the video because it really it was pretty well put together. And again, it's been there for 15 years, so some of these are kind of hardened. So I had to cut them. Here are the cannons. And one of the things that I was mentioning earlier, how it's got a counterweight. So depending on how you move it, it's gonna go with it. So because if it's in this mode, then when it goes into fighting mode, then it's gonna move with it. So anyway, very nice, very clear. I mean, obviously brand spanking new, so that's super cool. It's pretty good amount of detail in there. Just really cool. This actually goes this way, and it's got the legs on this side. I remember that. So there's one leg. Oh, when you pull this, oh, you can do it through here as well. So it lowers this and it lowers this one as well. And then that's how I intend to display. I have a cool place in my entertainment center where I intend to put it. I have a lot of different stuff from my childhood that I've been able to gather little by little as I've gotten older. And this is definitely one of my favorite toys. And just glad to share this with whomever, sees this video. Thank you for seeing. I just feel that it's important to always keep that inner child. It's really cool toy. And again, it's just a toy. I understand that. But it's a birthday present that my aunt and my grandma gave me money for. For those wondering, these go on eBay. Brand new. Sealed box like that used to be. I've seen them from $210, $240, $260. And then you have those others that want like $400 for them. The gentleman that I bought it from here locally, he had it for about $160, $180. I saw there for a while. We ended up agreeing to $110. So I think that's a pretty good price. I mean, even if you consider the rate of inflation, it was originally $40, brand spanking new from Kmart. So I would imagine that with inflation 15 years later, it's pretty much paying as much as it would have cost back then, with your purchasing power at the moment. So again, thank you all for watching, and I hope everybody keeps their inner child alive one way or the other. It could be something small, it could be something big, but take care, y'all. I hope that you're all doing well. Wish you all the best for 2026. I know that I haven't filmed in a while, but I thought I'd do this one because I think it's pretty special. So have a good one. I'll probably take a picture of the display where I'm going to put it with the lighting that I want to use. And I'll probably go ahead and tag it as the icon for the video. So take care, y'all. Bye-bye.